Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. We're the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and we're getting ready to have some weather come in. Um, Supposed to get cooler. The next 2 days are supposed to be in the lows of 40s, mid 40s, and then Tuesday and Wednesday is supposed to be in the mid 30s. But along with that, we're going to have some high winds this afternoon and this evening, and possibly tomorrow, and the possibility of some heavy rain along with that. And you can see the skies are kind of cloudy. Um, so I need to take care of my tomatoes right quick. Uh, I need to see if I can protect those during the lower temperatures and this weather coming in. I had plastic on this on the back half I put that on when we were going to have the rainstorms before, um, but I needed to pull it off so I could get to the tomatoes and do some picking. And man, I've got some nice ones in here. Got a nice big one there and several down here on the bottom that need to come off, and a lot of the Juliets around throughout the plant. So I'm gonna get those picked off, and then I'm going to prune just a little bit. I'll do the pruning. Because I'm gonna put one heat lamp. I'm gonna set up 2 heat lamps in here, so if I feel like I need them, I can just turn them on. And so I'm gonna prune on this area over here some, where I can get one on this end, and then over here on the other end where the Juliet plant is, I'm going to prune. I'm going to sacrifice a few tomatoes, but I will pick a place. I need to prune it out where I can get a heat lamp on this end as well. So I'm gonna get these picked off. I am gonna take the shade cloth off so the plants can get all the available sunshine that they can through the plastic. So I get to work. Okay, so I got the plants thinned out, got the first piece of plastic kind of back over it, and fastened down on the sides. I gotta fasten down the ends. We got a lot of good tomatoes. A lot of them that are gonna go ahead and ripen up. I went ahead and picked the ones, if they start getting a little color like that, they'll ripen out. If they're hard green like this one here, then they're not going to. So we had to sacrifice a few tomatoes when we cleaned these out, but we're doing that so we can save these other ones. We've got a lot of nice tomatoes still to come if we can preserve the plants in here. So that's our goal. And yeah, so got a heat lamp on this side and got that cleared out. And let me go over here right quick. Got another one on this end. And then I'll go ahead and get this end of the plastic closed up. And then I'll get another piece and put on the other end to go ahead and seal this off. I think that's going to be it for this one. I'll go ahead and get that stuff closed in, and then we'll check on it in a couple of days and just we'll take a peek in there and see what things look like. So appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right here if you would. That'd be cool. And I really appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one. See ya.